Craving something warm, soft and satisfying, but don't want to spend hours in the kitchen? Let me show you your new go-to comfort fix, MTR Rava Idli. MTR Rava Idli mix banata hai soft, fluffy idlis in minutes. Okay, so let's see what the instruction says. Add one measure, that is 200 grams of this mix with 140 grams of curd. I'm adding 140 grams of curd. Now I'm going to add 280 grams of curd and leave it for, mix it well. Wow, that's a lot of batter now. Look at that, smells amazing. I don't think I need to add anything. There are a lot of flavors in this. Wow. After resting, grease the idli molds, pour the batter, and now we let it steam for 10 to 12 minutes. Wow, look at the texture. Oh my God. So soft, so fluffy, it just melts in your mouth. Honestly, you don't need anything else with this. I can eat it anytime. Delicious. Wow. MTR Rava Idli. Soft, fluffy, full of flavor. Comfort food made effortless.